Okay, ladies, so today we're just going to look at some decimals. First of all, ordering decimals. Hopefully you are happy with how to do that. So if you look at number 1, 2.5, 2.7, 2.1, 2.9, 2.6, the smallest of those is 2.1. Let me just get my pen all sorted. Of course, it's taking a little while. Yeah, I wonder where it's gone. Everything's disappeared. So we're going to have A1 2.1 and then 2.5, then 2.6, then 2.7, and then 2.9. Okay, so just going from smallest to biggest, so hopefully you are sure about that. When we are doing our addition and subtraction of decimals, it is very important to, when you place them, if they aren't already placed, like these ones are not, you need to make sure that the decimals are in line. 7 plus 2 is 9. I am just going to find my little drawer. Oh my gosh. 7 plus 2 is 9 and 0 plus 1 is 1 and the decimal goes in line. When you have one like this and you have to carry, you just carry as usual. So 9 plus 5 is 14. So the 4 goes down there and I carry my 1. And 5 plus 1 is 6 plus the extra 1 is 7.4. So don't forget, I'll just do number 14 over here. I'm just going to get my drawing very narrow. So we are going to look at 34.5 plus 0.5. Make sure it's all very neat and all in a line. 5 plus 5 is 10. My decimal carries straight down. 4 plus 1 is 5 and 3. Show that you are adding and show you're carrying. And there you go. That is what we are looking at today. Nice and easy.